How to pull a report that shows sold items per employee on Unity Enterprise. To successfully pull a report that shows sold items per employee, we will follow these steps. Step 1. On the Springboard menu, click on Reporting. Click on Reports. The report list will open. Click on the arrow next to Sales Reports. Scroll down and click on the Product Mix report. Select the required node. Click Submit. Click on Period and enter the required calendar period. Click on Submit. Click on Departments. Click on Department Group and Point of Sale Department. Please ensure that this box is ticked and all the departments are ticked. Click Submit. Click Generate. Please wait while the report is being generated. Once the report has been generated, click on View. Please wait for the report to open. Step 2. Once the report is open, check if the employee column appears. If the employee column does not appear, click on the column chooser. Click on Search and type Employee. Tick the box next to the employee and the employee column will appear. Click on the close icon to close the column chooser. Step 3. Click on the employee column. Drag and drop it here on top. This will help to sort by employee. You have now successfully pulled a report that shows sold items per employee on Unity Enterprise.